Welcome to Math Globe. Karnataka Board Class 9 Constructions to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. To construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. Given a line segment AB, we want to construct its perpendicular bisector. Steps of construction. Step 1. Draw a line of given measurement and name it as AB. The given measurement here is 8 cm. Taking A as center and radius more than half of AB, draw an arc both the sides of the line, above the line segment AB and below the line segment AB. Step 3. Taking the center as B, without changing the radius of the compass with the same measurement, cut an arc above to the initially cut arc and cut an arc below to the initially cut arc. Points are obtained. So the arcs intersect each other at point P and Q. Join step 4. Join P and Q. Let PQ intersect AB at the point M. Then line MPQ or PMQ is the required perpendicular bisector of AB. Let us see how this method gives us the perpendicular bisector of AB. For that, join A and P. Both P and Q to form AP, AQ, BP and BQ. In triangles PAQ and PBQ, AP is equal to BP, arcs of equal radii, AQ is equal to BQ. You can see there in triangle PAQ and PBQ, AP is equal to BP. We are considering the triangle PAQ and PBQ. So in this, AP is equal to BP. They are arcs of equal radii. And AQ is equal to BQ, arcs of equal radii. Then PQ is equal to PQ. You can see PQ is equal to PQ. It is common to both the triangles. The side PQ is common to both the triangles. So reasons given here for both the sides are arcs of equal radii. So therefore, we can say triangle PAQ is congruent to triangle PBQ. The rule applied here is side rule. Therefore, angle APM is equal to angle BPM. Reason is corresponding parts of congruent triangles by CPCT. Now, again in triangles PMA and PMB, when we consider triangles PMA and PMB, the above two triangles which will be marked here, PMA right angle triangle and PMB right angle triangle, you can see that AP is equal to BP, as before only, arcs of theirs equal radii, and PM is equal to PM. Common side, PM is common side for both the triangles. Reason here it is common. Therefore, I can say both the triangles are congruent when angle APM is equal to angle BPM. It's already proved above. Angle APM is equal to angle BPM. So therefore, it can be said that triangle PMA is congruent to triangle PMB. So, the rule applied here is SAS rule, side angle side rule. So, it can be written as AM is equal to BM, angle PMA is equal to angle PMB, AM is equal to BM, angle PMA is equal to PMB, by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles, has angle PMA plus angle PMB is equal to 180 degrees. You can see they are linear pair. Reason is using the linear pair axiom. We can say that angle PMA plus PMB is equal to 180 degree. So we get angle PMA is equal to angle PMB is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, PM, that is PMQ, is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.